Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be trying out my first lace front wig and I'm so excited. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about skincare, beauty and natural hair. So if that kind of content interests you, I would love it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. Now let's get into the video. This is my first time trying out a lace front wig, and the main reason why this is my first time is because I have a really low hairline. So I've been doing a little bit of research and trying to find ways to try and work my way around it. So I think I do have a little bit more information on what to do. And also, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I always make my own wigs and I normally have leave out at the front. But recently I tried out some kinky straight clip-ins and I really enjoyed my time wearing them. That made me think about more hairstyles that I could do. One of the ways to open up your horizon is trying out lace fronts. I am so excited. I'm hoping everything will go well today. So I'm also using a brand that I'm familiar with, which is CurlsCurls. You guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I have reviewed some of their wigs and some of their clip-in extensions. So the wig that I'm trying out today is a 4B 4C curl pattern. It is 150% density and the length is 20 inches. And the reason why I decided to go for something curly is because with straight hair, if I make a mistake, I feel like you'll be able to see those mistakes a lot easier. So this is what the box looks like. It's very sleek and black and it has the CurlsCurls logo on it. Once you open it up, you have a little bit of information about the hair, how to take care of it. They also give you a wig cap. So here is what she looks like and it is absolutely gorgeous. I really love the curl pattern on it. Inside you have 2 combs at the front and 1 at the back. So now I'm going to kind of show you and tell you what my plans are for this lace wig. So right now I have a wig cap on. I know that some people tend to use got2b glue to glue it down, but because my hairline is quite low, I feel like I'm just going to stitch it on. And also I do have these little bits out. This is the lowest point of my hairline and that will be my only leave out, because if I was to put the wig in front, my hairline would literally be down here. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch this on and make sure that the cap is a little bit behind my hairline, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now that I've stitched the cap on, you can see that it's not the same colour as my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and use some foundation to try and make it my own skin colour. So the foundation that I'm using is by MAC. It's in colour NW50 and it's their Studio Fix powder. And now that I've covered it over with foundation, this is what it looks like. It is a little bit more brown. So one thing that I definitely think I'll do next time is purchase a cap that is the same colour as my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this wig and kind of gauge what it looks like before I go ahead and glue anything on. Wow. So this is what it looks like close up. And I'm actually quite happy with how it looks. They did do kind of like a side parting on this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that side part. I could go ahead and do a middle parting, but then again, the whole point of me trying out this lace front is to try something new. I always do middle parting, so maybe I'll go ahead and keep that side part there. This cap is a medium size and it fits very, very snug on my head. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace and then we'll go from there. So I know that you can make quite a lot of mistakes by cutting the lace way too far back. So I'm going to leave as much possible as I can at the front. With this particular unit, the knot's already slightly bleached. I don't think I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots. I do think that maybe I'll put a little bit of powder on the inside of the cap to maybe cover the knots that you can see. Okay, so I'm back. I don't think I did a bad job at cutting the lace, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like so far. And I did leave the corner tabs on just so that I can pull the wig down and secure it whenever I need to. And then now I'm going to go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. So the plan is to kind of blend my hair in with this. I think I've got it a bit too. There we go. I'm going to pull out my leave out and the plan is to blend it in with all of this. So right now I'm really happy with how that looks. That looks so natural. To make sure that the wig is properly secure, I am going to use a little bit of got2b glue to hold the wig down. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and style the wig. Okay guys, so this is the tea. I tried to glue the wig down and it didn't work for me. Do you know what? Other YouTubers, when you watch them do it, they make it look so easy and they are so talented. But I tried and it looked a hot mess. But thank God that this wig is actually beginner friendly and I didn't need any glue in the first place. I just wanted to go all out and try it. But yeah, got2b glue is not for me. But now I'm going to show you how the wig turned out and you'll be surprised. Hello everyone, so I finished styling the wig and this is what it looks like. One thing that I really love about this wig is the curl pattern. I feel like it's very close to my own and it just looks so natural. One thing that I definitely had to do was push the wig a little bit behind my hairline because, as I said at the beginning of this video, my hairline is extremely low, and because I'm not very used to lace fronts, I did feel a little bit uncomfortable with it so far forward. And about trying to glue this unit down, I tried and I tried and I tried, but I'm no good at gluing wigs down. This wig is actually designed for you not to have to use glue, so that came in handy. It's also a beginner friendly wig too, and in my opinion, as my first time using it, it was very easy to manage, especially because I'm used to handling kinky curly hair. So I didn't exactly show you the preparation of how I actually styled this wig. I'm going to save that for an entire separate video, otherwise this video will be way too long, so stay tuned for that video. But here is a close-up of the curl pattern. It's so beautiful, and just like any other kinky curly hair, it has a lot of shrinkage as well. The parting looks really natural as well. I love the fact that the knots were already slightly bleached, so I didn't have to go ahead and do that. But yeah guys, I'm extremely happy with this wig. Hopefully in time I get used to wearing a lace front so that I get to have less and less leave out. But to be honest with you, normally when I make my own wigs, I normally have about 1 inch or 2 of leave out. But this time with this lace front wig, I only have about ½ an inch. Comment down below guys, what do you think? Do you think I did well with this wig? Stay tuned for the styling video. But as always, I've got to love you and leave you, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!